Ayan, dito lang po yan sa SM Caloocan, Magumbong. Ayan, Zumba every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8:30 to 10 in the morning by Sendora and DJ McCoy on the stage. Dito lamang po yan, ha? SM Caloocan North, Magumbong, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8:30 to 10 by Sendora and DJ McCoy on the stage. Sendora, DJ McCoy on the stage every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here at SM Caloocan, Magumbong.
I-return nyo ako, ha? I-return nyo ako.
Sige. Kanino dalawa?
Nakukuhan ako sigaw kayo sa akin.
Dalawa i-reserve ko sa akin. Tapos pagdating mo, ikaw na yung sa akin. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here at SM Magumbong, North Caloocan by Sendora and DJ McCoy on the stage. Zumba! Ayan. Naanyayaan kayo nila kay. Ayan ang mga kaibigan.